In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Telegram bots. We'll start right inside Telegram. Open the Telegram app on your device or the web version in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. Everything we need is built into Telegram, so there's nothing extra to install. Next, use the search bar to look for the official account called BotFather. Make sure it has the verified blue check mark so you know it's the real one. Open the chat and you'll see a short introduction explaining that this is the tool for creating and managing bots. Type the command/newbot and send it. BotFather will guide you through a short series of prompts. First, it will ask for a display name. This is the friendly name people will see at the top of your bot chat. You can choose something clear and descriptive, and you can change it later if needed. Then you'll be asked to create a username. This must be unique across Telegram and must end with bot or underscore bot. Usernames can include spaces, so use underscores if you need separators. If your first choice is taken, try simple variations until BotFather accepts it. Once your username is approved, BotFather will generate a secure API token for your new bot. This token is essentially the key that lets software connect to the Telegram bot API on your bot's behalf. Keep it strictly private. Do not share it, do not post it publicly, and avoid pasting it into screenshots. Store it in a password manager or an environment variable if you're building software. If it's ever exposed, you can return to BotFather and regenerate a new one. With your token ready, you can bring your bot to life. You have a few popular paths. No-code AI and automation tools let you connect Telegram to workflows without writing code. Custom code gives you full control using the Telegram bot API, typically via webhooks or long polling. Third-party integrations can bridge Telegram with services you already use. Pick the method that matches your skills and the features you want. When you're ready to try your bot, go back to your conversation with BotFather. In the confirmation message, you'll see a t.me link for your bot. Click it to open a new chat window with your bot. Finally, press Start to initiate the conversation. If your integration is set up, you can send a message or a command right away and watch your bot respond. From here, you can continue enhancing your bot's profile and behavior using BotFather settings and your chosen integration method. That's it. You've created a Telegram bot and taken your first steps toward making it useful.